The following portion of Daytime is sponsored by Older Lundy, Koch, and Martino.
When divorce is on the table, there are several things to keep in mind as you start the legal process of ending your marriage. Joining us to share what you should prioritize here in Florida is Michael Lundy, managing partner at Older Lundy, Koch, and Martino. Michael, nice to see you. Welcome.
Thank you. Nice to see you.
So for someone who's just considering divorce here in Florida, what is the very first step they should take?
Well, the very first thing I recommend is try to get into the right mindset and not look at this as a win-lose type of process. Once you get into that, then I think that's going to help you as you explore opportunities with different attorneys. And trying to pick the right attorney is a really, really important choice.
I understand that there have been recent changes to the law, so I'm curious, has that affected how things like assets, debts, alimony are handled?
So the law is always evolving. The statute has changed on the issue of alimony, and it also has changed on the issue of time sharing for parents. So that has helped us to some extent streamline the process for sure.
So that's a good thing. The process is streamlined, but what should parents know then about time sharing and custody?
So in Florida, the time sharing is really governed by something called the best interests of the child standard. So the court is always really trying to do what's best for children. But now, with the recent legal changes, there is a presumption that parents are going to share time equally with their children. And this 50-50 presumption has somewhat helped us to get these cases to the end a little bit more quickly, which is always best for families. But one thing I tell almost every client is it would be best if you and your parenting partner figured this out on your own. Lawyers and judges are not experts on how you should raise your children. So to the extent that people can work those things out without involving the legal process, I think it really serves the family quite well.
That's good advice, and it brings me to my next question. What are some of the biggest mistakes that you see people make when starting to go on this process?
I think one of the biggest mistakes people make at the outset is looking at this as a win-lose proposition. You really should not look at a divorce case as a win-lose. You need to think about how you're going to navigate difficult situations and make compromises and work together. I also think one of the mistakes we see people make most often is choosing a lawyer who will tell you a lot of things that you want to hear and not really understanding that just because it sounds good doesn't really mean that's what the outcome is going to look like. So you have to be very, very careful. If you go to a consultation with a lawyer and you're only hearing things that sound great, it's probably not a great sign.
Red flags.
You got that
to
right.
look out for. Michael, thank you. Always appreciate your time.
Thank you.
And if you'd like more information, visit olderlundylaw.com or call the number on your screen. It's 813-254-8998. Daytime will be right back.
The preceding portion of Daytime was sponsored by Older Lundy, Koch, and Martino.